Every business is different. Understanding how it operates, what makes it tick, is the key to making it successful. An MBA from Trinity Western University provides you with excellent opportunities to sharpen your business acumen and succeed in a changing and competitive business world. We equip you for career advancement and personal growth, developing you for business competence, confidence, character, and compassion. As one of Canada's only Christian and value-based MBA programs, we'll challenge and stretch you, helping align your career goals with your personal values. Our world-class business faculty will provide you with the full spectrum of knowledge and practice, from launching a business venture to running a multinational company. Whether you're a full-time student or working professional, you'll be able to customize your course of study. Our class sizes are small and hands-on as you work alongside peers who will become your future professional network. Our MBA program is an opportunity for you to become part of a growing business community that will help you discover bigger ideas about who you are, what you believe, and what you're called to do in the world. Prepare to take your organization and its mission to a higher level.